everyone, I'm Crystal.
I'm Ken.
Welcome to F.A.T Dreams.
What is F.A.T Dreams?
The F.A.T stands for Food and Travel. This is our very first vlog and we're super excited. We are in downtown Columbia at the Food Truck Festival, and we're going to be eating some yummy food today, as well as partaking in other events. Come on, let's show you around.
Trying to decide where our first stop's going to be. Got some good music playing here, have some fun out here. Hey, how you doing? Say hi. Welcome to F.A.T Dreams. We got some Mac Daddy, mac and cheese. We're definitely gonna try that one. Piece of Soul Vegan Kitchen. Everybody's out here having fun today. It's also great to be out here supporting the local trucks and local community. Fish and chips. Definitely trying that one. Alright, we're going to get back to you after we start trying some food. Right, welcome back to F.A.T's. This is going to be our first food truck try. It is...
And lobster.
Oh, it's going to be good. We're getting a lobster roll and we cannot wait to try it. Alright, here we're going. We got the lobster roll.
Can I have we have some pasta salad available as well?
See, this is going to be awesome. Very excited. All right, our first food truck. Can't wait.
So we got the Connecticut Lobster Roll.
It's got a warm lobster with, they said they had like a drawn butter on it. So we're real excited to try this. And they had their homemade slaw, which I'm not sure, what did they, do you remember the name of it?
Peanut butter ginger.
Peanut butter ginger slaw. So we got that because we figured that was something that they made themselves instead of
Can you get the camera and pan down on it?
Yes, there we go.
We had to mute out the volume because of all the background noise. There was those singing karaoke behind us and you wouldn't be able to hear our critiques. But the Connecticut lobster roll was delicious. There was lots of lobster meat inside the bun. It was warm, it was buttery, it had a nice seasoning to it, and the bun itself was nice and buttery and soft. We truly enjoyed it.
Yeah.
That you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now.
Alright, I got some jambalaya from the paella place. It has sausage, shrimp, and chicken. It's a pretty big portion. You see how it tastes. Just a little bit of spice. The chicken's nice and tender. The rice has a nice flavor to it. There's celery in it that gives it a little bit of crunch. Overall, it's pretty good.
All right, now it's my turn. It looks good. I love the color of the rice. It smells good. Try some sausage. Oh, it is good. Some nice little shrimp. It's a lot here. And this was about $12, I think, for this. It's a pretty good deal. Definitely a good item to share. Yeah, I'd definitely get it again. It's good. All right. Fish and chips. Definitely trying that one. What do we get next?
We got fish and chips from Molly's Fish and Chips. You have a big piece of codfish. There's some fries underneath. I don't know if you can see it. And we got some tartar sauce, some malt vinegar, and some ketchup. It looks good. Now, I'm a fish and chip connoisseur, so let's see if I like it. Just gonna taste a piece of fish by itself. It's good. It's light fish, but it's flaky at the same time. It has a nice seasoning on it, not too salty, just right. It's a thin batter. It tastes really good, and that's without any vinegar or tartar sauce on it. I really like this.
So here we are trying some codfish, which we already tried. I can't wait to try it. But we're having a great time at the food festival. And again, I always recommend that we come down and support your local vendors, food trucks, especially during these times. They all need the help, and it's just a wonderful day to get out and just spend time together, and we love it.
Hello everybody. As you can see, we are back home from the food truck festival. We had a great time. We ate some amazing food, but it was hot and we was tired, so it was time to go. However, we did get one more dish to bring home and try, and it's from the Chojitos Latin Cuisine food truck. We got a meal with pork, Spanish rice and black beans, and pasta salad, and it has a sauce with it. So let's try it out and see how it tastes.
Thank you, love. Thank you, love. That's good. Today was awesome. I mean, being out with all the people today and enjoying lovely South Carolina weather. We had a great day. I mean, an absolute great day. So we do a little rice, a little pork.
I'm trying it naked before I try it with
Put the sauce. So we're
just
gonna
to see
cheers.
how it tastes.
Cheers
to a great day.
Okay. Pork's got a lot of flavor. Very good.
It's like a pulled pork. It has an amazing flavor to it. No knife necessary. You can
Absolutely not.
shred it very easily.
It just pulls off, and you got big chunks of stuff. And we're not sure the sauce that comes with it. What do you think it is?
Let me taste the sauce.
She's so good. Her palate, I'm telling you, she always like, oh, this is this, and I'm like, oh. Oh.
It's spicy.
Okay, now I'm gonna try. I love spicy.
It tastes like it has a sour cream base, and then it has some kind of spicy seasoning in it. It's really good. It has a kick to it, as you can see. All right, let me try this pasta salad. The choices for sides were pasta salad, crispy plantains, or sweet plantains, and I decided on the pasta salad.
Now,
It tastes like maybe the pasta salad was made with some of the sauce. It's okay, but it's nothing to write home about.
yeah.
It's just okay. But the pork and the rice and beans are delicious.
It's awesome. It's really good. I mean, they got, like, if you pull a piece up here for you, the bark, which you're probably not gonna be able to see real good, is awesome, and slow roasted, and definitely tender. So it's very enjoyable. So, as in being one
it
of our
tastes really good with the sauce. I'm
yes,
sorry.
no,
It
no,
tastes
no,
really
not at
good
all.
with
That's why it was good. And one of our last choices today, as we're at the food truck festival, as stuff to bring home. Very good choice.
It's delicious.
It's delicious. So, again, like I always saying, like support our local vendors. Columbia, Columbia, Columbia.
And the thing about the festival today
Okay.
is that the food truck vendors came from all over. This particular
Okay.
one, I'm not sure where they were from, but there was one from Savannah, one from Charleston. They came from all over for the festival. But when you see your little moving restaurant in your neighborhoods, support them.
Try them. And we always try, one of our favorites is
Chuck E. Cheese.
Chuck E. Cheese. We see them several places. Awesome. We try to support them all the time. And also, I mean, the fish place was from Savannah. We had the fish and chips.
Yeah.
The fish and chips were spot on. They offered a bunch of sauces, and it is really good.
So, if you had to choose your favorite cuisine from today,
let me see. So my favorite,
which one would you choose?
I know we did the paella, which we still have. We brought some home. So I was thinking too, is we actually did stuff and ate a little bit, shared. We had a plan, shared stuff, and then we brought stuff home. So I would probably say, maybe the pork from this place is probably my favorite.
Okay, so a recap of what we had. First, we had the Connecticut Lobster Roll from Ann Lobster. Then we had paella from Paella South. Well, we had the Jambalaya from Paella South. Then we had fish and chips from Molly's Fish and Chips. And then we
did an icy.
We did an icy. We didn't show the icy, but we had an icy. And then we had this. So, I don't know. They were all good. I think my favorite, though, was the fish and chips.
The fish and chips, well, and I know my wife, she loves fish and chips.
Yeah.
Loves. That's her favorite thing. Every time we go anywhere, we got to try fish and chips. I want her to try fish and chips. And I think you're probably going to see a video or something she's going to post a little early before this. She is a snob. She is a fish and chips snob.
I love my fish and chips.
Loves her fish and chips. So it's got to be good.
That one was delicious.
It was delicious, which we loved. And to see, like, again, we found something new. And I think the fish and chips was from Savannah. I think the fish and chip was from Savannah. So they came up here to Columbia to give us some great fish and chips, which we appreciate them. So anyway,
so we had a very good foodie day.
Yes, we did.
A lot of delicious food. We want to thank all the vendors who came out to Columbia.
Yes, we do.
To
Thank you.
share their cuisines with us because
Yes.
we really appreciated it.
And absolutely love it. So that's what our whole channel is about, is F.A.T, which is
Food and travel.
food and travel.
So if you continue watching our channel, you'll see food reviews like this from food trucks and restaurants, cooking demonstrations by us in our kitchen.
Yes, ma'am.
And travel vlogs.
And travel vlogs.
Doing some traveling, so you'll get this. Come along with us.
Which that's coming up soon. We got a trip on MSC coming up, so we're gonna do some stuff together. And just please follow us along. And it's just fun to get out and about again. All of us need to get out and about again, enjoy, and travel.
And eat.
And eat.
So if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe our video.
Below, you see that? Yes, absolutely.
Oh, and one more thing. We did get dessert, not from the food truck, but since we didn't get dessert at the festival, we got Krispy Kreme.
Lemon-filled.
Lemon-filled lemons.
It's so naughty, but it feels so good.
Y'all don't understand. We've been low carbing for a long time now, so
Cheat day. Cheat day.
we've been really cheating on the carbs.
Cheat day.
Cheers.
Yeah. So just enjoy. I mean, every day's special, and we had a special day today and enjoyed everything. So.
And remember, you don't have to leave. You don't have to leave your home state to have a food and travel adventure. Sometimes you just have to go right up the road.
Absolutely. And then we found this, and we'll be looking every weekend for new stuff, and we will bring it to you.
All right, guys.
All right.
So I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, eat well and travel often. Bye.
Bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Crystal.
I'm Ken.
Welcome to F.A.T Dreams.
What is F.A.T Dreams?
It stands for Food and Travel Dreams, which is our two loves.
Two loves,
right?
yes.
Yeah.
Love to travel, love to eat. That's why we're fat.
That's